All right, so let me start off this video with just some overall positive things, right? And honestly, it's going to be positive throughout it. Maybe for some people, it might not be positive because they just don't believe me when I talk about different projects and projects that have the potential to grow a lot more than where they stand. But let's start with just BTCC. There's a giveaway that they're doing for 500 USDT to two winners, and this competition goes for a week from August 20th to August 27th. If you guys want to, I don't know why I just brought up a bear, but if you guys I have no way of going to the actual image that I was trying to show because if I go right, if I go left, it goes back to me. And if I go right, it goes back to the bear. I'm sorry. I have to keep this in here. I really do. Oh man, that's so funny. I told you guys. I told you guys that this would happen. I wanted to start it with BTCC. First, guys, if you want to join BTCC, feel free to use my link down below. You'll get a 10% deposit bonus, extra bonuses up to $10,000. Extra bonuses up to $10,055 and 40% lower trading fees. And you can trade all the way up to a 500x leverage if you guys want to. Now, what I was trying to show was actually this BTCC. It basically has a giveaway going on where you have 500 USDT, so 250 USDT to two winners. All you have to do is sign up, deposit, and trade between August 20th and August 27th using my link, and you will be included in that. Now, I can say there are probably out of a week, you might have, I don't know, 20 to 30 different people that are signing up. Out of 20 people, meaning that you could be that person that that is going to win this 250 USDT. It's a free USDT or free chance to do something, especially when you're going to have the ability to buy, different cryptocurrencies and make your own moves if you want to. You'll get bonuses, you'll get extra deposit bonuses, and all of that stuff. So, anyways, feel free to check out my link down below for BTCC and sign up today, and hopefully you can be that winner. But um, I wanted to start this off right, really with the the understanding that I talk about many different plays. I talk about a ton of plays. And sometimes I'll mention ones that have some significant news to them. And this past week, I've mentioned OKB twice. I've talked about it at $95. I've talked about it while it was at $90. The reason being is because they decided to burn off 279 million coins of theirs. And that's not like 1% or 2% or 5%. That's like 80 to 90% of what they have, in their, what they have stored, right? The total amount. Leaving 21 million left on the table. That means there's no dilution potential within what you see there because all of the coins are out there. And you have a major exchange that's doing this. This is huge, absolutely huge. And I said that we can see so much more than where it stands at $95. So I invested at $95. And other people decided that they would also make those moves. And I'll tell you what, they're insanely happy with the movement that we've seen so far. Does this mean this is where this is going to be at for the remainder of altcoin season? No, we're going to see so much more. Doesn't mean it's going to stay here and it's not going to drop and not going to see volatility and movement. No, right? We're going to see that. But there were many people that even questioned that we wouldn't see OKB be worth more than what the high point was, and I was going to retrace and stay down low and go back down to $40. Well, boy, were you wrong, right? Because right now, OKB is leading out of the top 100 with 39 or 38, let's round down, 38% increase in the last 24 hours. 67 or 68% increase in the last 7 days. It is currently at $170. We're not talking about the $95 level that we talked about previously. We're talking about a $170 level. There are people buying at $170, believing in the growth to 200, the growth to 300, the growth to 1,000. It's only at a $3.5 billion market cap for something that is a major exchange. $634 million worth of volume for OKB. $170.28. You see that movement for the last week or so? It's pushed up from $50 or $40 all the way up to $170. And while it did get up to 144 in the beginning, and I saw that retracement after that news broke out and after we had the initial reaction off of that reaction, I saw so much. And right now, with my OKB that I decided to invest into, right, if I scroll up, my OKB that I have a 3x leverage for and put $600 into, if we're rounding up, is up $1,294 right now. 223% as of right now. And if this was a 10x leverage, I would have taken my initial investment. However, since it is a 2x leverage, there's so much more that's left on the table and where this can go and where it will go. Because this is not where it's stopping. Right? It got all the way up to a high here of 176 and it currently sits at 166. So the movement is amazing. The movement is insane. I love what it has done so far, and you're going to see retracements. That's a natural flow of things, right? It got up to 144, decreased down to 90, gets up to 170 or 180, decreases down to maybe 150, 140, or maybe even get to some of these lows and give you another chance to buy in at a low level, right? And then we'll see it make moves again. I'm happy with what I have here. I wanted to invest $1,500, but I didn't get the chance to really do that because I wanted to see it come back a little bit. So I want to know what you guys think, right? This is simple. I'm up $1,300, and yes, it is about me. I'm talking about me. But you see my average, $95.91. I tried to tell people about what this play can do. And many people just brushed it off and said, no, I'm not going to make anything from it. It's up 66% in the last 7 days. We're seeing it grow from a $40 level, $40 to $50 level, all the way up to a $100 and damn near $80 level. Not only getting 100%, not only seeing that push 100% from 40 or 50 to get to $100, we're talking about getting to $150. We're talking about getting to almost $200 and still having the ability to go a lot further than that. The door is open for what OKB can do. The door is open for what OKX can do. And that's why I decided to make this move. I can't buy on Coinbase. I can't buy on Kraken. I can't buy on Crypto.com. But you know where I can get it? BTCC. You know where you could buy it or short it, whatever you wanted to do, is BTCC. Now, I want to know what you guys think about this play. Make sure you guys check out my link for BTCC down below if you guys want to join the giveaway, as well as if you guys want to just, start leverage trading and start trading outright and start having the ability to kind of make money for yourself, make money work for you in a large way. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm still laughing from that bear, like just trying to get to the image I'm trying to show, and it just pops up as just a bear. I don't know. That's apparently in my photos here for like a bear market. But either way, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.